I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to Verizon is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your Verizon account details handy, including your phone number and account PIN. This will help streamline the process. Step 2. Access the Verizon app. Download and open the Verizon app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play. Step 3. Sign into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Add a new device. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section and select Add a device. Follow the prompts to enter the new device's information, such as the main number. Step 5. Confirm activation. After entering the device details, confirm the activation. You may need to restart your device for changes to take effect. If you encounter issues, check that the main number is correct, as a typo can cause activation problems. I hope this guide helps you connect your new device easily. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Verizon support.